Hey everybody, happy Wednesday and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and this is Lynn's Wonderful World of Makeup and More. Welcome to the 16th day of Vlogmas. In today's video, I am going to be showing you the app that will give you the easiest, simplest way to make a cool thumbnail. You can use this app if you have an Android phone or an iPhone. If you want to know what this app is and how simple it is to use it, stick around and find out. Okay everybody, welcome back. Like I said, hi, my name is Lynn, and this is Lynn's Wonderful World of Makeup and More. On this channel, I generally do things like unboxings, first impressions, get ready with me's, tutorials, try-ons, empties, hauls, pretty much anything that has to do with makeup and fun, I like to do on my channel. For those of you that are new here, welcome. Please jump down and smash that subscribe button. Turn that red button to gray. Become part of my family today. I would so love to have you join our family. For those of you that have come back, thank you. Your love and support means so much to me. You guys are so freaking awesome. I just don't know how to tell you guys how much you really mean to me and how much better you have made my life since you have become a part of it. In today's video, I am not going to be doing anything makeup related. I am going to be showing you how to make an easy, simple thumbnail if you are using an Android phone. As a matter of fact, you can do this with an iPhone as well. I do a two-step process when I do mine. I use an app called Airbrush. I just use it to blur my background. That's my choice. But the easiest, simplest way is to download an app called Fonto. I will put the word up on the screen and down in the description box. You go to the Play Store or however you do it on the iPhone to download your apps, and you type in Fonto app. You download it. Basically what you do is you get the app. I don't know if you guys can't see my phone. Okay, so then I pull up the Fonto app. You get a grid like this. There's a little box up here, the picture box. It says images, plain images, or projects. You want to hit images because it's going to be the picture that you took that you want to be your thumbnail. Okay. So we are using Harry's phone to do this. So if this is what I wanted to be my thumbnail, this would be my picture. Then what I would do is I would go up to the little drawing pencil thing, you know, that we hit to edit. You get this thing right here. It says align, and you can change it to left, right, or center. It doesn't really matter because you can move it around wherever you want to anyways. Next to that, you have font. You hit that, and it's going to eventually take you to a screen that shows you all the different fonts you can use. Now, here's a piece of advice. They have all kinds of really cool looking fonts, cursive writing, bubble letters, all kinds of things like that. You have to be mindful that when you are writing your thumbnail is about this big when it appears on somebody's phone. Therefore, you want your words to be big, bold, clear, and bright. You want your words to catch the attention of the person reading your thumbnail because then they know what your video is about. I generally, there's 3 different styles of thumbnails three or four that I generally go with, that I have found that are what I like. The Nocifer Regular is one of my favorites. I'm just going to type in a word to show you. You type in whatever you want, whatever phrase. Now, mind you, you can do it in sections because this is how it's going to appear on your screen. You can type in one word at a time if you want to. I typed in Vlogmas. I hit done. Then it's going to appear in a box, and I can take it and I can move it around to wherever I want it to be in your thumbnail. Now, mind you, when your thumbnail comes up, you're really only going to have about here to here. So be mindful that this whole picture is not going to come up when you go into your YouTube studio. So I tend to put the words right in the center of what I know my thumbnail is going to be. Now, for instance, he has his set to purple writing. If I wanted to change the way it is written, I would go to style. When you hit style, you have all the different colors that come up. You hit a color, it will change the color for you, so you can see what it's going to look like in your picture and how it is going to stand out based on what you have behind it. I am going to leave it with the hot pink. You then hit the word done. Now I have changed it from purple to pink, which shows up good on the background. If I want to change the size of the writing, I hit size. You have a plus and minus key. By hitting it, it changes it one number at a time. And as you can see, it is getting bigger as I go up. As I hit the minus sign, you can also slide it with your finger. I do one number at a time, so I can get it right to the size that I want. So then I would put that there. I tend to use one type of writing for the main part of my thumbnail. Like my Vlogmas would be in one style. And then when you're done with it, you tap it. You get the box to go away from around it. When you want to go to your next part, you go back down, you hit that thing again, you get your same screen to come up. Now, if I want to go to the next part, obviously I don't want it to be, you may want all yours to be in one style, that's fine. I'm going to pick a different style, and then I'm going to put, say I'm doing a get ready with me. I put that on my screen. I hit done. That comes up. I can use the same thing, the same basic theory all the way through. You can change the color according to what you want on the screen. When you get the color you want, you hit done. And then you basically move it as you want. Now, that's all you have to do to set up your words. Once you've written in there what you want to write, they have the little download arrow right there. You tap that. It asks you if you want to save it as a JPEG. You hit save. A commercial is always going to come up on your phone unless you pay to have the commercials taken off, but why do that when it takes 10 seconds and you can do all this for free? Now I have saved that to my phone. I basically then, once I'm uploading my video onto YouTube, I go into my YouTube studio. I go up here. I go to my videos. He doesn't have any videos listed. When the videos that, if you, your videos that you would have listed, you would click on that video, and then it's going to have the word, you click on the video that you're uploading at the time, you click on the edit, above the picture, you have the little, like writing utensil, you click that There will be 3 boxes that have pictures of it in there that YouTube picked that you can use as a thumbnail, or they have a 4th box that says custom thumbnail. You click the custom thumbnail box, the pictures that you have recently uploaded onto your phone, which the last one would be the one that you just did at Fontos. You click that, you slide it up and down to fit it into the box how you want it to be, and then you hit save. You can also use your YouTube Studio to edit your description box, your title, and right below all that where it says public, if you guys click that, you can either click to private so nobody can see it but you. You can click it to unlisted where only people that you give the links to can see it, or you can click scheduled. That's how a lot of us post up our videos, and we set a scheduled date and time for them to drop. So if you are going to be busy, or you're going to be out of town, or you don't feel well, whatever the case may be, you can do your videos in advance and drop them that way. But that was the easiest way that I found to make a thumbnail. I hope this really helped some of the newer people. I've seen a lot of people say that they don't know how to make a thumbnail. I was fortunate enough to have a lot of great people help me out and explain to me how to do this. So I thought I would take a few minutes and explain it to people that may not know. That is the simplest, easiest way I can tell you to do a thumbnail. Once you get your Fontos down, like I said, if you want to use other apps, airbrush, things like that, you can always add them in and incorporate them. But this is the easiest, simplest way to get your thumbnail with a picture and to put the words in it that you want, so you have a thumbnail that you picked and not the god-awful pictures that YouTube puts up there. If you have any questions about what I said, you can drop them down in the comment box below. You can always DM me on IG. I will leave my Instagram handle on the screen. That's all I have for you guys today. Like I said, if you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, and also if everybody would please go over and rate my video, give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of content, if you like me giving you how-to videos on things you can do to help better your channel. Give me a thumbs up. If you're not interested in these videos, or you don't want to see things like this, you can give me a thumbs down. Either way, I'm cool with it. I value your opinion. I want to put things up that you guys are interested in seeing. This channel is just as much about you as it is about me. As you guys can see, I am still wearing my look that I did in my video for yesterday for Vlogmas. That is because it is actually still yesterday right now. When I upload, by the time I upload this, it will be Wednesday morning. But I am filming this on Tuesday night, in case you guys are wondering why I still have this look. If you guys have not seen the video where I did these 2 looks, go back and check out my video that I uploaded yesterday. I took one of my favorite palettes from 2020 and I used it to create 2 looks, a very simple, basic, neutral look, and then I did a colorful look. I wanted to show how versatile the palette is and how wonderful it is. You can get simple, basic, neutral looks, and you can also get eye-popping, colorful looks, and you can use that palette for day and night, going out, work, transitioning, whatever it is you want. It's just an amazing palette. You guys go check out that video. But that's all I have for you guys today. So I want to thank you for joining me. And until next time, stay beautiful, stay blessed. If nobody else has told you, I'm going to tell you, you are loved and you are special. Love and hugs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.